welcome to the new John Dewey Metric School Annual Report 2019-2020. Every year begins with the blessing of Almighty under the guidance of our Chairman, Dr. M. Veeradas, our Secretary Ma'am, Mrs. V. Shirley Veeradas, our Administrative Officer, Dr. G. Emerson Robin, our Chief Organizer, Mrs. V. Suganya Robin, our Principal, Mr. S. Stephen, our Headmistress, Mrs. K. Shenbagalakshmi, and all our beloved teachers.
A hearty welcome to the new John Dewey Matriculation School. Our school is a co-educational school and it's one of the best schools in Villupuram. Our vision is to strive towards excellence in education and efficiency in service.
The motto of our school is mutual affection.
Hello everyone. I am Dr. G. Emerson Robin, Senior Principal, AU. The new John Dewey focuses at empowering students with extraordinary education. At New John Dewey, multi-level teaching in a supportive learning environment ensures students to perform strongly in both scholastic and co-scholastic areas. Students are given individual attention, encouragement and support to succeed. The New John Deweyan believe in exploring the given opportunity to develop the talents. The New John Deweyan have a strong understanding of what it means to be a responsible, contributing member of the society. The John Dewey management strives to prepare our students for a rapidly changing world by equipping them with critical thinking skills, global attitudes, and respect for a core values of honesty, loyalty, and compassion.
Standard 10. In Standard 10 board exams, we produce centum results. Dharani topped the batch with 488. Pragadish came second with 484. Ilamadi came third with 483.
We communicate with parents through SMS, exam timetable, marks, homework, holiday announcements, meetings, competitions and fees details are intimated to the parents through SMS.
We start our assembly with the prayer song, followed by activities done by our students to bring out their skills in various ways.
This is my school stage. I like my school stage very much. It is big and dynamic, looks so attractive. We use it to conduct morning prayer and many other functions.
Students Enrichment Program. Our students are equipped with life skills to face any challenges of life. To ensure holistic education, we have focused on students' council activities, house activities, club activities, monthly achievement programs, and daily assembly to improve their talents and innate powers. Co-curricular activities. We are providing facilities for learning yoga, silambam, kung fu, taekwondo, gymnastics, malcolm, chess, caroms, lawn tennis, handball, table tennis, Bharatanatyam. This has helped our young new John Deweyans to sharpen their skills.
Playground. My school playground is very big and spacious. The school has 2 PT teachers and 2 special coaches. We are taught volleyball, lawn tennis, karate, handball, kabaddi and everyone. Daily practice makes my body energetic and fit.
Throwball. I like to play throwball very much. It teaches me the spirit and success of a teamwork, and I like athletics also very much.
This is my table tennis room. Table tennis is a very interesting game. I like it very much. I spend most of my spare time here. I feel proud to say that I have received the 5th place in state level. Hard work never fails. I am very sure I will achieve my goal one day.
We train students to cultivate their knowledge in Hindi. Prathmik is conducted in our school campus. Nearly 120 students wrote the exam.
Here's a preview of the major event celebrations and festivals of the year. The curtains of the academic year raised from the month of June 2019. Investiture ceremony. The office bearers for the academic year 2019-2020 were selected. K. Praganayagi was selected as SPL and B. Dharani Devi as ASPL. House captains also took charge.
Kindergarten. Our special attention is formed on KG kids. Kindergarten kids are given special attention in our new John Dewey. The day begins with assembly, where a new theme is introduced every week and craft every week. Rally on Save Tiger, Doctors' Day was conducted to enhance awareness. Many parent-student competitions were held like quiz competition, dice games, etc. were conducted. These shows were organized to highlight involvement and the efforts taken by their parents to uplift the children's knowledge.
Kids Olympics. Young sports stars took part in Kids Olympics held in our school playground. Mr. Karthikeyan, MA MPhil, BA BEd, PhD, Professor, Department of History, Arinyar Anna Arts College, presided over the function. Graduation Day is a special day for our UKG kids. They are given a memorable send-off by the UKG teachers.
I am Deepak Raj. I like 3D lab. I enjoyed science digitally.
I'm A. Christy Sipra. Robotics helps me to bring out my innovative ideas that may help our society. It has also used me to learn the programming construction as well as the mechanical construction. This is the working model of light following car. This is the working model of washing machine. This is the working model of electronic voting machine.
In this modern world, nothing is possible without computer. My school has organized many computer fests on Project Day. These competitions have increased my interest for computer.
Lab. I like to spend my time in lab. It's a place where I do my experiments and feel excited on seeing the results.
Mr. S. Jnanasekaran, Inspector of Taluk Police Station, presided over Girl Child Safety Awareness Program. Mr. Arokyasamy, Project Coordinator, Bauda, flagged off the rally on tuberculosis awareness. Mr. S. Jayashankar, Station Fire Officer, gave instructions on fire safety. Smokeless Diwali was our ultimate aim to reduce air pollution.
And engineer Mohammad Shahul Hamid, senior student of our school and also a young scientist, was honored for achieving Best Innovative Award for his creation vehicle-to-vehicle communication to avoid accident and secure human life.
My classroom. I like my classroom very much. My teacher teaches me well. All the lessons are explained clearly through smart class. And this is the place where I learn a lot.
Exam hall. I like my exam hall. More spacious, comfortable for writing exams. It helps me to revise and learn well. We are always monitored by 2 CCTV cameras. Individual attention is given to everyone.
Library. My favorite place is the library. I like to read books. There are many storybooks in my library.
Our students B. Dharani Devi and K. Aja Moghedin took part in Pattam quiz competition conducted by Dinamalar. Our students took part in National Science Olympiad exam. Our students were honored 13 gold medals, 13 silver medals and 10 bronze medals. These students were selected for 11-2 exams. Our students took part in Kuralneri Mandram and bagged many prizes.
Science Project Day was conducted, in which many students came out with innovative models and the best model was awarded. In our 22nd South Indian Open Karate Championship 2019, our children bagged many prizes. Kung Fu District level. In the first Inter-District Penchak Silat Championship 2019, many of our students received gold and silver medals.
Silambam. In the 7th state level Open Championship, National Martial Arts and Yoga Association, D. Jansi and B. Saravanan came first and third in Silambam individual game.
Our school has got very good van facilities. Students from the long distances come to school by school van. It gives the students a proper security and takes up to the school on time.
We are the new John Dewian family and we are always the best.